I'm going into homes and working with whānau who have high and complex needs, and often there are children within that mix.
What I took away from this course was that it challenged me to think deeper, it challenged me to think critically within my own practice. And so as a professional, it developed me further in terms of being more confident in the knowledge that I have and responding to situations.
From the study, from the year, it was around my confidence. So you kind of know a lot of that stuff, not an expert in it, but you know all your basics. But doing that study gives you the confidence to do what it is that you need to do, including some quite what can be seen as confrontational sort of situations. It just highlighted that you've got all these young kids out there, these little kids who don't have a voice, and so really realising that actually as adults, as professionals, we have to be that voice.
For me, the difference before was that I wasn't very outspoken when it came to certain matters, but the assignments created opportunities for you to advocate and created opportunities for you to speak out when you see something, not only within your workspace, but in your personal space as well. And so I think in that aspect, I have grown both personally and professionally when it comes to speaking out on behalf of children when I see something.
You know, you hear about a child being sexually abused in a home. You hear about the parent, the mum generally, getting her teeth knocked out. And now in this role, you go into that home where that child was raped in that home. You go in there and you see the mum with no teeth in her mouth, and it just makes it so real. And it's a little bit emotional actually. Yeah. So I guess with the knowledge that I've gained through doing the diploma and advocating for that child and bringing the focus back to that child just makes me feel that I've done the very best that I can do. So when I go home, I know in my heart I've done the very best that I can do.
I would recommend this diploma for anyone, specifically those working with children and families. This diploma broadens your knowledge. It creates a sense of confidence as well. In you, it helps you think critically about things. And that's one of the things that I value about this diploma course, is that it helps you think about things critically. So you ask questions, you don't just accept things as they are, but you look at the system and you look at different ways of working with children in a way that ensures that all children are safe.
At Child Matters, we believe that you really need to understand the issues in order to make a real difference. And the aim of the diploma is to prevent child abuse by understanding child-centred practice and child advocacy. The diploma is suited to anyone who is currently working with children or anyone who wants to become a strong advocate for children.